Hi all, my name is Manjunath. Welcome to CloudBytes YouTube channel. Today's agenda is IaC. What is IaC? Are you looking to automate your infrastructure but not sure where to start? View this presentation on getting started with the infrastructure as a code to learn how to leverage IaC to deploy and manage resources on cloud. Okay. Infrastructure as a code or IaC is a process of provisioning and managing infrastructure defined to the code instead of doing so with a manual process. Infrastructure as a code is a management of infrastructure, network, virtual machines, load balancers, and connection topology. So ISA means you have to write your code to provision the infrastructures like network, virtual machines, load balancers, and EC2 instances, S3 bucket. Okay, instead of going to AWS console, clicking on the services, set up the services, create EC2, providing all the details. Instead of that, if you want to automate your infrastructure, you can use this IAC to provision the infrastructure. Okay. Benefits of infrastructure as a code. New environments or infrastructure can be provisioned easily from your IaC configuration code. Infrastructure deployments with IaC are repeatable. Means the code which you are going to use in the development environment can be reused in the test or any higher environments, but you are going to change the variables in the code. IaC can be used in continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. The main benefit of doing this is to automate your infrastructure deployments. So you can integrate this IaC with your pipelines like Jenkins to automate the infrastructure deployments. Okay. If you want to make changes to existing infrastructure that has been deployed with IaC, this can be done in code and the changes will be tracked. So whatever the changes you are going to make in the existing infrastructure, once you commit your code to the Git or Bitbucket, so that whatever the changes you can see in the Bitbucket or GitHub in the commit section. Okay. So IaC is a key DevOps practice and a component of continuous delivery. With IaC, DevOps teams can work together with a unified set of practices and tools to deliver applications and their supporting infrastructure rapidly and reliably at scale. Okay, these are the tools that will help to use IaC. But some of them are Terraform, Ansible, and Chef and Puppet. Terraform is a top infrastructure IaC tool and also solution for managing infrastructure across wide variety of clouds, including AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, and even platforms like Kubernetes. Okay, we can manage these things by using Terraform. And let's come to Ansible. Ansible is a free open source configuration management solution with IaC capabilities rather than a specialized infrastructure management tool. Okay, so this thing is both Terraform and Ansible are open source one. Okay, let's come to Chef and Puppet. These are the two effective configuration management tools. Chef and Puppet both seeks to offer infrastructure management skills with continuous configuration management and so automate across the development process. Okay, the simple answer for IaC is infrastructure as a code, and you have to write your own code to deploy the infrastructure on any target environment. You can integrate this IaC with your automation tools like Jenkins to automate the infrastructure. Okay. Thank you all. I request each one of you to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Cloud Bytes.